Let's make carrot and oatmeal cookies. Before you begin cooking, always remember to wash your hands with soap and warm running water for at least 20 seconds. Start with 3 to 4 carrots. Make sure you wash them off in cool running water. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Now it's time to peel the carrots. Now grate the carrots until you have 1 cup. Gather the wet ingredients together. 1/2 cup honey, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1/4 cup applesauce, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 2 eggs. Now let's gather the dry ingredients. 1 cup whole oats, 1 cup flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoons cinnamon or pumpkin pie spice. Now here's a tip to boost nutrition. Substitute whole wheat flour using 1/2 cup of white and 1/2 cup of whole wheat. And don't forget to gather 1 cup of raisins and 1/2 cup chopped walnuts. Now mix all the wet ingredients together well. In a separate bowl, mix all the dry ingredients together. Now add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix well. Don't forget to add in your carrots, your nuts, and your raisins. Mix well. Spray your baking sheet with cooking oil spray. Now spoon the batter onto the baking sheet. Bake in your preheated oven at 375 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes. Cool the cookies on a wire rack. Serve warm if you can. Enjoy this tasty treat.